Bye, guys. Have fun on your honeymoon. Thanks. Yes, thanks, Mom. You're welcome. So when are you guys returning? We'll be back with me first. Yeah, we will. Alright. Yeah. Oh, before you go, we have to take Connor, Christopher, and Chad to the hospital for their appointment. Can we ride with you? Sure. Yeah, sure. Sweet. But how can all this fit in the car? Here, honey, you stay. What? I'll stay. Oh no. Guys, wait. Yeah? So you guys are going to head into the airport? Yeah? Okay, how about we take the bus? Yes, let's take the bus. Oh, good. And yes. Oh! Mom, Dad! Oh my god, I'm so sorry, everyone. Ow! Domino! Mom! Ow! What? Ow, you landed on me! I'm sorry, Caitlin, I didn't mean to. It's okay, Claudia. Okay, Claudia, what is it? I see the bus coming, that's what I'm trying to tell you, but I knocked all my kids over. And all your kids over. Okay, so let's go catch the bus. Connor, Christopher, Chad, let's go. How am I gonna get down? Who brought you up there? I don't know. Sisters, move out of the way. Sorry. Here, I'm moving. Chad. We can help. No, you two. No, don't help. We'll help you. Guys. Ah! Oops. Ow! Ow! Oh my gosh. Ow! Who are you two? Cameron and, Charlotte. That wasn't nice. They're both 6 years old right now. Let's go, Cameron. Okay, Charlotte. Claire, Claudia. Oh boy, let's just go. Okay, guys, let's get on. Okay. Hi, where can I put my bag? Oh, in the back, okay. Alright, guys, let's go. Stop! We're at the hospital! Fine, I'll stop because there's not many passengers on board. I need to get on! Ma'am, the bus is on the other side. Okay, get out, please. Bye. Ow, I tripped. Oh, I need to get out from my wheelchair. Bye. Ow! Boys! Bye! Bye! Okay, guys, let's go. So, guys, just letting you know, they actually moved the airport in the city. They did? Yes, so it's a little bit of a drive, so I hope that's okay with you, but, yeah, it's just a little bit more farther. Okay. And here we are, the Playmobil Airport. I'll just find a good parking spot here. So, alright, you two, enjoy your holiday, and, yes. Thank you very much. You're welcome. Let's go. Oh, so those suitcases fell. Can't get out. Bye. Bye. Oh, man. I'll help you. Wait, your bag. Just a second. Oh, man, no bag. Bye, thank you. Your bag! Fine, I don't have time. Caleb? Yes? Where's our towel bag? Oh my gosh, no, wait! And it's gone. Let's just go. We could probably rent towels there. Oh, look, good luggage coat. Let's go grab one. I'll let the doors for you, my handsome husband. Thanks, my beautiful wife. Okay, I think we need to check in. Yes. Oh, okay, I was in the way of the doors. Hello there. Hi, welcome to the Playmobil Airport. How may I help you? Yes, I have to check in. So do you know the steps? Yes, so you can get your airport tickets at the ticket machine. And our one bag won't stay. Yes, so you can drop your bags off. So this belt, this is the leaving belt, and that's the coming in belt. And so you're taking what flight? We're heading to Cuba for our holiday, yeah. Okay, heading to Cuba, so that is we'll label your bag Cuba. Then yeah, so just if you want to put your bags on our little machine here, it will get shipped out. Okay. I have your bag, sweetie. Okay. So we will just label that quickly. Cuba. Okay. And it is off. Oh my gosh. I'll put my bag on. Okay, we'll label that Cuba. And away it goes. Oh my gosh, so they're off. Yes. So, I guess that we don't need any bags. Wait, where are your carry-on bags? Carry-on bags. Oh, all the stuff was in our suitcase. What sort of stuff, ma'am? All of our stuff to do on the plane. Oh, I'm sorry, but those suitcases are too large. You have to have a small carry-on bag. Example would be the one this guy behind you has. Is there a guy behind us? Yeah, I have my carry-on bag. Ooh. I just got off flight and now I'm going to Cuba. Take my bag. Ah! Oh my gosh. Ah! And there he goes. I guess he's going with his bag to Cuba. Okay. So next you have to go to the airport machine. Okay. I hope they find stuff to do on the plane. It's a pretty long flight. So what I do here is I put it in here and it will spit out a machine. Oh sweet, I'll do it twice. Why isn't it going? Maybe try taking that one. Alright. I got my ticket. Okay. Hope this code isn't declined. Oh, there it is. There's my ticket. So now I guess it goes to security, yes. Hello there, I will be your security officer. So please step through this and you can move, and then your airport thing is done and you will be ready to take flight. Sweet. So arms up. Okay. And walk through, please. Beep. You're good. Perfect. Alright, Becky, your turn. Hands up. Beep. You're good. Sweet. Sweet. Now we can... If you want something to eat, please come here. Ugh, that food looks disgusting. Okay, let's just go wait. Flight 179 to North Atlantic is boarding now. Sweet, that's our flight. Let's go. Santa? Oh, Merry Christmas. Yo, on vacation. Woo. Let's go. Okay, go. Okay, I guess we can sit down. Yes, Santa seems a bit excited. Yes, he did. You excited? Yes, I totally am. So what happens next? Oh, then the little shuttle comes along and it picks up everyone. It does? Yes, so they walk on. And such. And then, that will take them away. Flight boarding to Cuba is ready to depart. Please come to the airport. One way? Oh, okay, that's us. So I guess we walk up this thing. Yeah. Let's go. Such a bumpy ride. It really is. Look, there's the plane. Welcome aboard. There are seats near the back. Okay. Ugh. Man, it's a tight squeeze. Yes. Oh my gosh. Whoa, sir. Oh my gosh. Caleb! Caleb! Why did it just lock me out of the plane? Dude, I need to board the plane. Okay, preparing for takeoff. What? Guys, no! I'm not going to Cuba without my husband. Put him on the plane. We'll sort out just a little mistake. Okay, sir. I'm coming. Oh my god, the jets. I think they think I got on this time. Not Collie, Becky. Oh, ow. Becky. Stop the plane. Stop the plane. Caleb, come here. Oh, I'm coming. I got hit pretty hard. Oh, my ankle hurts really bad. I don't know if I can walk on it. No, this can't be happening. Caleb! Caleb! Oh, Becky, the plane! What are you gonna do? Caleb, it has to come back for us, I'm sure. Yeah. Control tower! Oh my god, there are 2 people that are left behind. Come look, there are 2 people that got left behind. Yes, see, I see, what should we do? I don't know, yeah, I don't know, you no help. Ow! Eee! Ah! Ow! Ah! What a day it's been, yeah. Ah! Oh my god! Oh my god! Becky, what are we supposed to do? I don't know, the whole top piece of it broke. Oh my god, what are we gonna do? My honeymoon is ruined! Becky, it's gonna be okay. Oh my god. This is your fault, Jimmy. No, it wasn't. Yes, it was. Ow. My God, the plane's turning around. Ow! Caleb! Ow! It's on top of me! Guys, help! Fine. Oh. Ha! Your fault. Are you okay? No. No, I am not okay. That hurt me really bad. Oh, call an ambulance. Call an ambulance! I'm on a honeymoon! I don't know. Wait, where are our suitcases? We're on the plane to Cuba! Oh, suitcases are on the plane to Cuba! It's been the worst day ever! Ma'am, so we will refund your money and give you a private jet. You will? Yes. Caleb, let's take it. No, I need to go to the hospital first. How? I guess I'll not even love to wait. Yes. Let's wait for an air ambulance. Guys, what about me? Oh my God, what happened here? Yay, the air ambulance is here. Breaking news. There was a huge accident at the airport. This guy, who's getting lowered on the stretcher, identified as Caleb Miller, almost got run over on his way to Cuba. The airport accidentally forgot him behind, and then he almost got run over by the plane. He was saved, luckily, but then was injured again when this tower came toppling over and it landed on him. He will be severely injured. He recently just got married to his wife, Becky. Hi. Becky, tell us what it was like. Well, it was really scary. I didn't, because I got on the plane, my husband didn't, and I didn't know if I was going to, like, if he was going to get left behind. Yes. Sorry to interrupt this news station, but ma'am, you can come on. Thanks. You both are under arrest. What? Both of us? Yeah, don't act silly. Come on, get moving. Come on. My legs are crushed. Oh boy, this is a very chaotic scene. An arrest happening. Calling for backup. I said calling for backup. No. I know how to do this. I'll fight you. No, you're not. Stay down, and you're staying down from there. Oh boy, I better get out of here before I get arrested by the police. I wish I was flying on the way to the Cuba. Wait, no, I'm not flying in an ambulance. Yeah, we can just take him down. Okay. Excuse me, guys. Wait a second. Caleb, Becky, what are you doing here? And what's Caleb doing on the stretcher? There was a bit of an accident at the airport. Yeah, Mom. I'll tell you later. Becky, what happened? Well, we were going to see, as we were about to board the plane, I got on the plane first, and Caleb was about to. Then the door, it accidentally closed. Then the second time they let him on, it did it again, but he accidentally fell out and under, and they didn't even see him. So I luckily got off the plane. And then it almost ran him over. It hurt his hip a lot. And then a tower came down and hit him again. A tower, yeah. There was a lot of wind came in, and then this tower came down and it fell on top of Caleb. Oh my God! Is he okay? Yes. Okay. I'm gonna call. Who should I call? Yeah, I'm gonna stay here. Becky, would you mind just running the kids back to the house? We're not living here. We don't live near the hospital. Actually, we do. I just realized we were literally like a few minutes away. So it's like a 10-minute walk. You walk there quickly back with the kids. I want to see you guys better. Yes, Becky, we are. Perfect. Let's go. To be continued.